Okay, I'm going to be doing some paranormal investigating. What time is it? It is 1:06 in the morning. 1:06 in the morning. And I heard noises down here earlier. What's that noise? Are you tapping? What is that? What the? That is weird. I see white shadows in here right now. That plastic is moving. That plastic is legit moving. That plastic is legit moving. What the heck? That's paranormal activity, I guess. What's that? I am hearing some noises in here. What's that? Jesus, what's that? Weird. I'm hearing noises over here. What's that? What's that here? Nothing out there. Oh, whoops, I made too much noise. Yeah, everyone is sleeping right now. So this is probably the latest paranormal investigation I ever did. That plastic is still moving. Look at that. Oh gosh. Those plants startled me. That's so weird. Oh, it's much colder up here. Jeez. It is really cold in this room. Oh, what's that? What the heck? Okay, that was weird. Okay, we're back. So creepy. Oh, okay. Jeez. I got startled by my own computer. See, that proves what time it is right there. See, 1:14 in the morning. And if you look down here on my computer, $1:14. See? So that proves that I actually am up at this time. Ah! What the heck? There's like a very cold vibe right here. It's so weird. What's so weird? What the? Why is my window just randomly shut? It's like stuck. Yes, there we go. Okay. There we go, that's good. Oh, that's still on. We don't want that on. Oh, God! Why did that just turn on? Oh. Okay. What? Why is... What? Okay, there we go. Oh, man. That's creepy. Okay, I'm gonna switch lights. I'm gonna switch lights if I can find the other light. What did I do with the other light, actually? Hold on, I'm gonna pause the scene here until I find the flashlight, and I'll bring it back when I find the flashlight. Because I want this video to be too long, so see you guys a little bit later. Okay, I got the other flashlight. And I'm back downstairs. Why did that cabinet just creak? Oh my God. It is so much colder up here. Oh, it's okay. What the was that? Oh, that's weird. Okay. Why? Oh, okay. I don't know what that was. I'm getting very creepy vibes right now. That's legit moving. Okay, let's check in one more, boys. Okay. I'm gonna end this video here. And I hope you guys will enjoy this whenever I see you. So, bye guys.